A lot of folks want to know if they can file a workers' compensation claim if they contract COVID-19 in the workplace. The answer is unclear. The answer is generally based on state law, and so our immediate response is yes, if you contract COVID-19 in the workplace, you should file a workers' compensation claim in addition to all the other things you should do as soon as possible. But you also need to know that it's a developing area of law. As we record this, our United States Congress is considering laws that will limit employers' liability for COVID-type illnesses that arise in the workplace. A lot of times folks want to know what the average value of a workers' compensation case is. The answer is there is no average. It depends on the kind of injury you have. The number can be quite small or it can be very, very large for people who have catastrophic, life-changing injuries. If your employer doesn't have workers' compensation, the first thing we do is check out the employer and make sure they're supposed to have it under the law. If they have 3 or more full-time employees, they're supposed to have workers' compensation, and if they don't have it, we can get penalties under the law from the Attorney General for their failure to have coverage. Additionally, you can collect your benefits directly from the employer. If you get COVID-19 at work, it's a difficult situation. You should take care of yourself, quarantine yourself, but you should also call a lawyer. If you're sure that you've got it at work, you're going to file a workers' compensation claim for you. And though the law is unsettled right now, under our current law, you should be entitled to benefits, so you should contact a lawyer as soon as you're able. If you have a workers' compensation claim that involves other employment issues or COVID-19, we're going to go over all the details that are pertinent to your claim. Sometimes there could be an unemployment issue, there could be a discharge issue, there could be a special issue about COVID. We're going to cover it all. If you were hurt at work, whether you contracted COVID or there's another situation with the employer, we're going to find out all of the facts of your case. Once I know all of the facts and what's going on with you, I can help put you in the right direction, whether you have an employment issue, COVID-related issue, or just a plain workers' compensation case.